Well, as you can tell, this time we've just now seen another Scilly Skybus. Just seen this time. Obviously I saw that going over in the distance. Anyway, I just saw another Scilly Skybus, I did. As you can see, this one was the Havilland DHC-6-310, that was. As you can see, the registration today is G-CBML, that is. And as you can see, it's got the call sign. Obviously it's got the flight number there, it's got the call sign there, which is IOS515R, that is. And the registration is G-CBML, that is. Which, as you can see, that occasionally just flew in here about 19,000, just about 19,000 feet from here. Anyway, just about 19,000 feet from here. So yeah, and then from the distance, as we saw it was about 85,000 feet. He was. Where we saw it from here, he was about 85,000 feet. It was. And just you can see, that just took off. Where it's been to today, it's just took off from Exeter Airport. Which this is one of its previous flight, apparently, the other Skybus, this is the one it goes to, which it goes from Exeter to St Mary's Airport, which, as you can see, that's just came out from Exeter Airport, and looks like it's probably now on its way back to his base at St Mary's Airport in Scilly, I believe. Okay, so, yep, thanks for watching, bye bye.